Hey guys, Sam with Trailblaze Paints. Today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to repair your own drywall. In this particular situation we had an electrical repair, so what we have done is cut out a piece of drywall that will fit to our new one. So now we need our shim, a drill, and some drywall screws. Now that we have our new shim in place, we can go ahead and get our new piece of drywall secured. Now it's time for tape. The next step will be applying one coat of hot mud. We'll be using 20-minute mud. What you want to do is give it a good mix till it almost has a pancake-like texture. We can now apply our first coat of mud. Now this part isn't necessary, but for the sake of time, we're going to use a heat gun. Now that it's dry, we can go ahead and apply our second coat of hot mud. And now we're going to apply 2 coats of paint. And that's going to dry down absolutely perfect. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe to see more tips and tricks.